From the links of Scotland to the greens of Augusta, golf has always been about the bond formed between the player and the course. From tee to green, it's the player's connection to the ground beneath their feet that makes golf more than a game. Whether you're a pro, an aspiring amateur, or just enjoying your Sunday, to walk the line of your shot on the approach, to feel the give of the grass under your feet, the sun on your neck, that's the game you love as it's meant to be enjoyed. Introducing Cart Tech, the easiest way to play your game your way. Venture beyond the cart path, free from the weight of a bag. Focus on the game you love and leave the rest to Cart Tech. Cart Tech's remote control caddies allow casual maneuverability of your clubs along with you every step of the course, up, down, and over the fairway's undulations. As you play, your clubs travel with you hands-free. Whether it's long drives, swift uphill climbs, or controlled descents, Cart Tech puts you in control. Cart Tech's remote caddies are built with superior frame strength, designed for balance and responsiveness, and powered by lithium-ion batteries made to last. And when your round's over, Cart Tech carts easily collapse to take home. Take control of your club, whether in your hands or in your bag, and leave the push and pull to us. It's the game you love and nothing more. Your game, your way.